go all over the world.
Jekyll has a condition called hyperhidrosis. It's very common on the horse. There are potential other obstacles to that.
The music changed. Maybe that's some tactful way to tell Miranda to hurry up and get him on.
Really is contacted.
Maybe I should go sleep with Clara. And maybe that helps.
Go ahead, sit down.
I put away the fax machine, even though I asked you to do it, you still didn't do it.
In a few minutes.
Right away, you're gonna break something that costs money that has to be bought. You guys are gonna learn to respect personal property, you're gonna have nothing. So you keep going to break mics and stuff. You'll be using your Best Buy gift certificate to buy another mic. I'm not buying it. Neither is your father. We're not going to see Joe. We're not doing any of that. It's over.
See, I have certain principles. I refuse to be a party to marrying someone off to a monster.
But you're sitting there, right, and watch the sale out. That's not hypocritical.
Oh,